Can AI-generated images really replace stock photography? You bet. As a content creator, designer, or someone who frequently puts together presentations, you know how time-consuming and frustrating it can be to search for the perfect stock image. Whether it's for a presentation, a website, or marketing materials, stock images have been our go-to solution for a while. But now AI image generators have entered the scene. No more searching for the right image, just create it yourself. Today, let's explore the most popular types of stock photography and how you can make similar images in Midjourney, BlueWillow, or Firefly. I'll share some useful tips and template prompts to get you started. You can generate unique visuals with AI tools, making your projects truly stand out. So why would you think about using AI-generated images instead of traditional stock photography? Well, there's a bunch of reasons. Customization for a start. AI-generated images can be tailored to your specific needs, so you won't have to settle for stock photos that are almost right. You can quickly generate images that match your brand or project's aesthetic. You might not be able to replicate an exact product or logo in AI, but you can nail the vibe you're going for. AI images are also original. You can create unique images that haven't been overused. This can give your projects a fresh, original feel, helping them stand out from the crowd. AI-generated images can be more budget-friendly than buying stock photos, especially for small businesses or freelancers with limited funds. Even a paid plan like Midjourney's lets you create unlimited images for a small monthly fee. AI can whip up images in a flash, cutting down the time you'd spend searching through stock photo libraries. Once you know the tricks, you can easily prompt for the images you want and get endless variations on the images that you like. When we think about stock photography, a few classic types come to mind. We've got those quintessential business-themed photos with people in suits shaking hands or having meetings. Then there are the lifestyle and wellness photos, featuring people exercising, cooking, or just enjoying some downtime. And of course, we can't forget the oh-so-important travel photos, showcasing breathtaking landscapes, stunning cityscapes, and exotic locations. These stock images have been the foundation for countless presentations, websites, and marketing materials. So let's talk about creating unique images for your brand, not the same images that everyone else is using. If you haven't used AI image generators before, now's the perfect time to give them a try. The tools have come a long way and are ready to give stock photography a run for its money. AI-generated images are made using cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning models that can whip up hyper-realistic, one-of-a-kind visuals just for you. With AI, your options are practically limitless. You can craft images that perfectly fit your needs, and you won't be stuck with the same old stock photos everyone else is using. Some popular AI image generation platforms like Midjourney, BlueWillow, and Firefly are making waves. They're becoming more user-friendly and accessible, so it's never been easier to add AI-generated images to your projects. Let's compare stock photography with AI image generators like Midjourney and Firefly. You'll see that AI-generated images can be strikingly similar to stock photos, and sometimes even better. Just a quick heads up about the AI image generators I'm showing off in this presentation. Midjourney is definitely leading the pack in terms of style and quality. BlueWillow is a free image generator, so feel free to give it a spin. As for Firefly, it's Adobe's AI image generator, and currently it's in beta testing. It's been trained on Adobe stock photography, making it perfect for crafting new stock photos. But keep in mind, Adobe has restricted their beta testing to non-commercial use for now. Don't worry though, it won't be like this forever. So if you need stock photos for your business, check back with Firefly later on. Let me give you some sample prompts to get you started. Here are some of the most popular types of stock photography and a prompt to go with it. Lifestyle stock photos depict everyday situations, people, and activities. They capture the essence of real-life moments. These images are widely used for advertising, social media, and blog content. In this prompt, you can set what type of person you want, a setting, and an action. You can also add some photography details and an aspect ratio. Business-themed stock photos typically feature office environments, employees working, meetings, and other professional settings. These images are popular choices for corporate presentations, websites, and marketing material. For people-focused image, try a variation on the one we used for lifestyle. For images focused on the environment or an office space, try this prompt. You can set some colors and some architectural details. Pay attention to reflections and the way light enters the space. Nature and landscape stock photos capture stunning scenery, picturesque landscapes, and a variety of natural elements like mountains, forests, oceans, and wildlife. They're commonly used on travel websites, magazines, and in backgrounds for different projects. Creating these images is pretty straightforward. If you want a generic place like an ocean or a beach, simply ask for a travel photo of an ocean or a beach. If you're after a specific location, the AI can handle that too. It's familiar with most well-known landmarks. Want the Eiffel Tower? No problem. Keep in mind that the surroundings of the landmark might not be entirely accurate, but you'll get the landmark itself. And hey, if you fancy the Eiffel Tower in New York City, ask for it. The AI might be able to just whip that up for you as well. Food and drink stock photography showcase mouth-watering dishes, drinks, and ingredients. You'll find them in recipe blogs, cookbooks, restaurant websites, and marketing materials. Try this prompt if you're making food photography. You can mention a specific food like an apple, or cuisine like Italian. Keep an eye on the details though. Sometimes food might appear a bit distorted. Tech-themed stock photography showcases all the cool gadgets, devices, and tech trends. You'll find these images popping up on tech blogs, websites, and promotional materials for tech companies. Keep in mind that AI is great at giving you a tech vibe, but it might not nail down specific named technology, like a specific computer or a specific phone. A few things to keep an eye on with AI images. AI image generators may not always nail physical features, so watch out for faces and especially hands. But if you dig the overall vibe of an image, give the prompt another go or tweak it a bit. You'll get something different even with the same prompt. And the AI keeps getting it better and better, so these quirks will soon be history. When it comes to image size, AI generators max out at around 2048 pixels square. You might need to upscale your images with a program like Topaz Gigapixel AI or On1 Resize. Oh, and a little note about watermarks here. Sometimes the AI throws them in. The AI isn't swiping a photo from a stock site. It's just seen enough watermarked images to think it's standard for stock photos. Feel free to include a negative prompt like no watermarks, words, or text, and feel free to remove any watermarks in post-processing. You're not stealing anyone's work. It's just the AI doing its thing. And here's a nifty little tip for you. If you stumble upon a stock photo you really like, use it as an image prompt. Just drag it into the image generator, add some text describing what you like about the image, and maybe even suggesting a change or two. It won't be an exact copy, but the AI will catch the vibe of the original photo and whip up something similar just for you. If you don't feel comfortable riffing off an existing photo, put a photo into Midjourney's Describe tool or into Clip Interrogator. These tools can provide suggestions on how to prompt for a similar shot. You won't get an exact replica of the image. These are AI image generators. Instead, you'll receive an image inspired by the original stock photo. Stock photography is on its way out. AI-generated images are taking the world by storm. It's a super exciting time to be a content creator, and I can't wait to see all the cool ways you guys use AI-generated visuals in your work. Let us know your favorite prompt tricks for AI stock photography in the comments below. If this video was helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.